Hello there everyone, welcome back to Fabricating Fringe. My name's Amber and today I am super psyched to show you guys this awesome shag. I didn't plan to put this hair with this outfit. I never plan my outfits with the hair that I review. I don't know, there's just too much going on in my life to sit there and put that much effort into it. So I just kind of grab as I go. I don't want to overthink it. So I went and grabbed the shirt, and then I thought, okay, let's grab a jacket. So I grabbed the jacket, and I really didn't know what hair I was going to throw on. And I threw this on, and it was like a match made in heaven, because I feel like my inner rocker chick has emerged. This bang and this like shaggy appearance, yet kind of feminine feel, I am digging this. I'm digging it. So without further ado, I am sharing this super awesome, tubular, radical, righteous wig for Continental Wigs in the UK. And this is by Rene of Paris. This is the Alexander Couture collection. And this wig right here is called Angela. I like Angela. Look at her. Angela, we're friends. Just kidding. I don't know how to play a guitar or anything like that. I took some piano lessons from my mom when I was a wee little girl. But other than that, I do not know how to play an instrument, although I wish I could. I did take voice lessons though. I wanted to sing, but I won't sing. I will spare you. I sing in the shower. I sing really loud in my vehicle, but I won't sing here. I look like I could sing a really awesome song because of what I'm wearing here. But you don't want to hear what could come out of these vocal cords. Okay, so let's talk about the hair. This color is color Creamy-Toffee-R. R meaning rooted, and I love this rooted color. I feel like a slight root just gives the hair a very realistic, natural appearance. It kind of looks like their hair has been either purposely smudge rooted or it's slightly grown out just a bit. But we all know that having a bit of a shadow root is quite popular nowadays. So I don't know, there's just something about having a slight root that gives it a very real appearance, and this rooting looks incredible. I love Creamy-Toffee-R. This blonde, thumbs up from me. I love bangs too. I've always been a bang girl, fringe, and so these bangs are speaking to me. In fact, I have a wig that I trimmed a similar shaggy type bang in, and it's one of my favorite wigs. So I love that this wig comes with a bang like this, because I think it's very flattering. I think it's fun. And I think we need more wigs with a bang like this. They're so cute. Oh, this wig's actually really comfortable as well. I can tell that the cap is slightly more snug than your typical average wig. So I wear an average in most wig brands, such as Raquel Welch, for example. And this wig does fit me really well. The ear tabs go right where they need to go. However, it's just slightly, it feels snug. It feels good though, it's comfortable. So let's talk about Creamy-Toffee-R first, and then we will move on to Angela. Creamy-Toffee-R is light platinum blonde and light honey blonde, and it's 50-50 blend. So you have 50% of one color, 50% of the other color. 50% light platinum, 50% light honey. I like that combo. You have the warmth, You have the lighter icy feel as well, nice and evenly mixed, and then you have the dark roots. I like it. Okay, so let's talk about Angela. This is such a gorgeous shag, layered, long wig with a wispy, somewhat shaggy bang. It has some bend to it. Oh my goodness. If you don't have a long forehead, you can definitely trim the bang to fit your needs. If you wanted to, you could side sweep this bang and make it more cutesy looking, like so. You could really change this wig up to fit your style preferences. I think that hair can change depending on what you're wearing as well. Since I'm wearing a jean jacket and a t-shirt, I think that it looks a little rocker chick, but with a headband, a clip, a little summer dress, can you imagine how adorable this would look? Very girly looking. So that's what I love about alternative hair. It just, whatever you do with it, the way you style it, the accessories you put in it, it can change drastically what you pair with it. The fringe on Angela is 3.9 inches. The crown is 14.9 inches. And the back is also 14.9 inches. The total weight for Angela is 5.4 ounces. Okay, so let's do a full turnaround and then we'll take Angela off and show you guys the inside of the cap. Like this wig. Like her a lot. Okay, let's take her off. Whew, it's hot in here. She is so pretty. Look at that color. So what you have going on with Angela is you have a single monofilament top. You do not have a lace front, but you have a polyurethane strip right up at the front. You can use adhesive right there, but do take note, there is no lace front, hence the bang right up at the front. This is very comfortable right up there, and this strip right here feels nice and soft against the head. This monofilament top is meant to look and move like natural hair growth. It is individually hand tied one by one, so it looks like scalp. You can part it every which way. You can do creative styling, multi-directional parting. It's just awesome. Okay, so the rest of this cap is open wefted. That makes it more breathable, more cool, more ventilation. Then you have your ear tabs with the bendable wire. This material is lace. Then you have a very small velvet nape area with the adjustable straps. The straps allow this wig to be tightened or loosened so it fits your head more true to size. You can see that rooting. It's really nice. The fibers feel really soft and smooth. So far, so good. I like this wig. Very comfortable. Let me see if there's any permatease for you guys. Usually if there is any permatease when there is a full monofilament top, it would be right behind that mono. And it looks like right when that monofilament ends, the wefts at the very back have just a tiny titch of, I would say, just some permatease right at the roots of the wefts. And I believe that with that, it makes the crown of this wig have the needed volume so that it has just enough oomph right there at the back. It looks really good. Okay, let's put her back on. Oh, I kind of look like Joe Dirt at first before I start smoothing her. Funny when you first put the wig on, and it's crazy how funny they can look at first before you situate the hair. All right, Angela, you are awesome. Super rad. Super rad. Love this one. If you guys want to check out Continental Wigs, you can get free shipping, and it's really, really quick shipping too. You can use the code FABFREE. It is located in the UK, but like I said, free shipping, FABFREE. That information will be down below, along with Continental Wigs and their social media platforms and all of their contact information. They are very helpful, very friendly, and down to earth. So if you have any questions, you need to talk to them about wigs, prices, and things like that, don't hesitate to contact them. If you guys have any questions, comment below, reach out to me over on Instagram, or email me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Let me know what you think about this Angela wig by Rene of Paris. I really, really, really like this one. Can you tell? I love it. It's late, and honestly, I'm excited about this wig because I need to go to some concert or something. Anyway, comment below. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching and all of your support. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.